Hi, I'm Jen and today I'm here with Judy Plum Wigs to show you the disc wig from the Ellen Villa Hair Power collection. The short pixie style with a really long, swooping, asymmetric fringe. She is a gorgeous modern style that is available in a variety of natural and sort of fun, trendy fashion colours as well. She's got loads of fun layers and texture to her, and I'm going to flip her inside out so you can take a closer look at how her cap is constructed. So we don't have a lace front on this cap because you do have that long swooping fringe, so you're not going to see that. We do have some under knotting, which is going to help those fibres lay very flat and secure and naturally. Then we have a lovely monofilament side part there, so you're going to be able to see straight through to your scalp, giving the wig a really natural, lifelike appearance, as if those fibres are growing straight from your head. The rest of the cap is fully open wefted, which is going to let airflow around it, keep you nice and cool and comfortable. It's got a good stretch to it as well, so you'll be able to get a really good fit on her. We've got these little Velcro adjusters at the back here, which is going to allow you to get the wig to fit you perfectly and keep it in place all day long. Well, we've got our little metal stays in our ear tabs here, which again you can just bend into place so that your wig is going to stay put all day long. I'm going to get my hair all prepped and then I'll pop the disc wig on so we can take a look at what she's like. So I've just tied my hair up and we'll pop the disc wig on. So I'm just going to line up that hairline with my own and lift that wig down at the nape of my neck. I'm going to adjust the little ear tabs so they're lined up with the temples, and I'm going to just double check that that hairline is sitting about 4 fingers width away from my eyebrows there. So as you can see, she is a super fun shorter style with this gorgeous swooping asymmetric fringe. Lengthwise, we've got 18 centimeters of length in this fringe here. We've got 13 centimeters from the crown and we've got 4 centimeters at the nape. So you've got some lovely different texture and volume going on. It's got a great lift at the top here. This is the shade Coffee Brown Lighted, which is a lovely sort of light brunette colour with these beautiful highlights running through as well. I've got a couple of the other shades here that I'm going to show you, so I'll just swap into one of them now. So here we have the shade Flame Mix, which is a fun fashion colour in this sort of deep red colour with these brighter highlights running throughout as well. Perfect if you're looking for something a little bit different or bringing a wee bit of colour into your style. And the final shade I've got to show you here is Light Caramel Mix. This is a gorgeous, warm toned caramel blonde. You don't have any sort of shaded root or anything, so it's nice and bright, light right up to your scalp there. I'm going to show you a little spin so that we can see what the disc wig looks like from every different angle. I really hope you've enjoyed learning about the disc wig from the Ellen Villa Hair Power collection. As you can see, she is just this gorgeous, fun, modern, short style with this long sweeping fringe here. She's a super comfortable cap to wear. She feels very secure and lightweight because we've got that wefting as well. It'll keep you nice and cool throughout the summer months. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the Judy Plum YouTube channel. You can follow Judy Plum across all social media, and you can find me over on Instagram at Jen's Alopecia. Don't forget to check out the other wig reviews on the Judy Plum YouTube channel and head on over to the website to see the full range of wigs available at the best prices with some great customer reviews. I'll see you again soon.